Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. All right, guys, first of all, thank you for clicking on this video this morning. I'm over here in Whitsett, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you through a beautiful custom Heartland 1XL, okay? The Heartland 1XL consists of 1,772 square feet. Today's video will feature 3 beds, 2 bath, a large side-loading utility room. As you can see, this video today will feature a beautiful front porch. Off the back, we've also got an uncovered deck, guys, so today's video will be awesome. And again, thank you for clicking on it. And as always, sit back and enjoy the show, guys. Thank you. Let's talk about this outside. The Heartland 1XL does consist of an optional / built on site front porch. You say, Shields, what does that mean? That means that this floor plan does not come included with a front porch, but you as the buyer do have complete control over the style, the size, everything about this front porch. So just remember, the Heartland 1XL does not come with a front porch, but you design it. You, the buyer, have all the control over the colors, the material, the style, the size, and all that. So just remember that. And that same rule of thumb does apply to, most of our floor plans, okay? So again, the Heartland 1XL is 1,772 square feet. It is 56 feet across and 31 feet and 8 inches deep. So 31.8 deep, 56 foot across. You are seeing a 6 by 25 gable style front porch today. Now the gable style, once you get into that gable style, you do have a ton of options on what's going on up there in the gable, okay? I would call this kind of that double gable. We've got an eyebrow running there to give it some type of break. Got a little row of shingles there, a little eave return there. You are seeing a great example of the treated lumber pickets and posts. Today's front porch does not feature a full foundation under the porch, meaning I can roll a ball under that porch. Today's exterior color is featuring one of our 5 included siding colors. The white lineals, the picture frame molding is included. The shutters are extra. They're not terribly expensive. Call them $500 to add the shutters. So definitely keep that in mind when you're kind of drawing this thing out in your head. I am going down the right side of the house, showing you that exterior door, taking you into that large side-loading utility room. Notice the 712 roof pitch today. The Heartland series plans do start you with a 712 pitch. And then I want to go around back real quick. I will show you the deck off of the dining room as well, but I did want to show you this uncovered deck from the outside as well. Coming off of that sliding glass door, that optional sliding glass door, got the crawl space access over there. I'm assuming the heat pump and stuff is on the gable end over there. So let's get inside, guys, and take a look. All right, so when you open the front door, you are going to be greeted by a gigantic open concept, okay? Really good sized living room here. Got a double window for natural light. Notice the exposed beams today. I refer to the beams as kind of one of those fancy ceiling work options. We have 3 fancy ceiling work options. I would call the exposed beams the most affordable of those fancy ceiling options. So just keep that in mind if you're somebody who likes that kind of detail. This living room opens up to this really, really good size island kitchen. Got the dining space to your right. As you can see, that deck is coming off of that sliding glass door that I showed you a while ago. When talking about this kitchen today, I'm going to focus on some of the different finishes. Number 1, you are seeing the sparkly quartz countertops. Very popular quartz option that we offer. when you're talking about price, I mean, if you do the quartz countertops just in the kitchen, you're probably talking about $4,500 for just the kitchen, okay? You have probably heard me reference this in my other videos, but a window is standard there. To option in the sliding glass door, you're looking at about a, I don't know, $1,200, $1,300, $1,400 option to put the sliding glass door in there. You are seeing a full ceramic backsplash today. You say, Shields, what would be included if you didn't include the backsplash running to the cabinets? Whatever countertop material you go with, you're going to have a 4-inch backsplash or lip standard included, okay? So standard with this countertop would have been a 4-inch matching material lip. You can obviously take that lip out and run the backsplash all the way to the cabinets like you're seeing here. Price-wise, for what you're seeing here, call it $1,500, and then for another $300 or $400, you can actually run the ceramic tile behind the range hood, which we are featuring in our new model in Burlington, okay? You are also seeing the black hardware package today. Knobs, hinges, shower heads, cabinet pulls. I do love to point out the pot and pan drawer island here. Soft close, full extension, full overlay, all that good stuff, okay? These cabinets cannot be touched. Now today's something, in this video, I get to show you a little bit, something a little unique. So you see the microwave nook there, that's a $150 option. Now some people say, you know, I'd like the microwave nook and an appliance shelf. So some people, you know, have air fryers and all that kind of stuff. So you can do both. You don't just have to do the appliance shelf or the microwave nook. You know, do both if you think, you know, that's going to fit your lifestyle. So just remember that. Huge pantry, as you can see. Pretty much all the Heartland series feature some form of a big pantry. Got your water heater closet there. And I did want to talk about the frosted glass pantry door. We actually show this in our Stanley model there in Burlington. Very, very popular option. Just know this door is not included. It is an upgrade. I haven't looked at the price recently, but I would anticipate, you know, $400, give or take. Really, really good sized kitchen. Big old island right there in the middle. Opens up to that living room. So let's check out the master suite real quick. I believe this bedroom is like a 15 by 13, give or take. Obviously all the floor plans are on our website. You can click on them and study the dimensions and all that good stuff. Here's the master closet. Storage all the way around, all 3 sides. The shoe cubby is included. Here's that master bath. You have seen a number of Heartland series plans with me at this point. I hope you have learned that the 4x6 shower is optional. The included bathroom option is a linen closet. And the 60-inch shower, you're actually seeing the 4x8 shower. This is not the 4x6, this is the 4x8. As far as add-ons in this shower, the transom window is extra, but other than that, the rain head, the wand, the bench, all included items with the 4x8 shower, including the ceramic tile, okay? Let's head out and cross that main space. I do want to show you the deck real quick, coming off of that dining area. I won't spend a ton of time out here. I just wanted to show you. It's probably like a 10 by 30 uncovered deck. Same principle with the back though, just like the front, you control everything. It does not come with a deck. It doesn't even necessarily come with steps. We have to have that conversation on what you want, how you want it. So just remember that. All right, we're gonna go down this hallway. We're gonna have bath 2, bedroom 3, and then that large side loading utility room, okay? Notice the 9-foot ceilings today. Adding the 9-foot ceilings is gonna cost you about $3,000, give or take. Notice how they did not run the quartz countertops in the bathroom, so a lot of people will put the solid surface in the kitchen, and then to save a little bit of money, they will do the laminate Formica or even the cultured marble in the bathrooms. So you don't have to go full quartz or granite throughout. Good size spare bedrooms, nice size closets. Nationwide's included crown molding, base molding, door casing, interior doors, the 2-panel doors, all that stuff, okay? Bedroom 3. And then my favorite part about the Heartland series plans is the awesome side loading utility rooms that they offer. Really, really good space in here. You're seeing the optional hall tree. One thing to note about these hall trees is now we are offering them with storage up above. So for years you did not have this storage area on top. This utility room does have an option for a window for more natural light. You know that this is included now. As you can see, we stubbed for an on-site utility room sink, recessed dryer vent. And then one thing I've been dying to show you guys, but I've just never had the chance to show you. So anytime you have some of these longer hallways, we're doing these built-in night lights that are built into the faceplates. So any hallway, you're gonna have this little sensor here and it'll flick on once it's dark, giving you that nice little night light that is built into the outlet face there. So really cool stuff. So again, today you saw the Heartland 1XL, 1,772 square feet. I think the floor plan, yeah. Let's see, here's that floor plan. 3-bed, 2-bath. Now, that brings up a good point. You know that the Heartland series plans have different options. So this can be a 4-bedroom. You walked the 3-bedroom version today. Basically what happens is the utility room is going to turn into a 4th bedroom. We're going to pinch a little bit of the dining space to create a legitimate 4th bedroom there. So just keep that in mind as you're looking around, guys. And I want to thank you for all your views, all your subscriptions. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Thank you, guys. Take care.